Hi, I'm Lee. I'm the FP&A Technology Director at Revelwood, and today I'm going to show you how to pivot an exploration and select an element all in one move. So this exploration is a simple view that shows operating expenses by time. Well, what if I wanted to look at my OpEx by company? I can click on account, I can drag the dimension, and when I let go of it, it will pivot the view for me. So now I have the ability to see my total operating expenses by company. Maybe I want to take a look at rent. So I can click on rent and I can look at the data. But what if I knew in advance that I wanted to look at rent and I didn't want to have to do 2 clicks? I didn't want to have to drag the dimension and then click on rent. What I could have done is, instead of dragging the dimension up, I can instead go right to rent and I can do my drag from rent. I can click on rent, I can drag it up to total company, and when I let go, not only will the dimension pivot, but it will go directly to the element that I was looking for. I can still pick other elements, so I can go to utilities or your insurance or any other account, but by clicking on the specific element and dragging it, as opposed to clicking on the dimension, I've just saved myself a keystroke. By combining multiple tasks into a single action, this approach will help you navigate through your data faster. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, or you can check out our website at revelwood.com.